Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Simple Trade with Patience. Welcome to the analysis of the indices. That's Bank Nifty, Nifty, and Finnifty. So let us start with Bank Nifty. Now, yesterday, as I had posted my view and had mentioned that the gap could be filled, and just below the gap, we had a demand zone. So a couple of times, Bank Nifty has entered the demand zone and given a reversal. The first time the reversal was a shorter one, and the next one was towards the end of the day. Now, towards the end of the day, so we could not get a good move. But let us see tomorrow, how does it react to this? What does the opening react now? If we have an opening on a higher side, we could look out for a supply zone on the top. So first, what we'll do is we'll take away the gap. Now the gap has been filled. Now let us take a look at the broader picture. So the demand zone is still present until and unless it has been taken out. Now let us see what is the demand zone. The demand zone would lie between 44,712 to 44,772. On the higher side, the demand supply zone is ranging between 45,307 to 45,417. So once the price enters this range, you have two strike prices that you can go on the put side. One is 45,300 and one is 45,400. If this has been taken out, we have a higher supply zone, which is ranging between 45,479 and 45,576. So that would be somewhere around 45,500 to 45,600, any of these two strike prices. Over here, we do have, if the price coming into this zone and trying to make a reversal, you could go in for 44,800 or 44,700. If for any chance this has been taken out and we have price ranging inside this demand zone, which is quite a big one, which ranges from 44,243 to 44,430. So that's a difference of around about nearly 200 points. Now the strike prices here would be a little bit expensive. As you see, there's expensive in the sense not with premium, but with the range. So there's 44,400 and 44,200. So that would be a little bit risky. You could go in with at the money wherever the price trades. Next, we move on to Nifty. So let us take a look at Nifty. Now, Nifty over here, if you see, Nifty has this gap to be filled. Nifty has not yet filled this gap. There is a demand zone, which is ranging between 19,253 to 19,272. So you could use the strike price of 19,250 if Nifty enters in this zone. Now, on the higher side, if you see, the supply zone has been tested today once. Now, it remains to be seen if the supply zone can be tested tomorrow or if it has been taken out. If it's taken out, yes, we could see Nifty going towards 19,500. I'm not saying that you should enter once this zone is taken out. Let us look for certain signals if this zone has been taken out. On the lower side, as I've said, there is a demand zone on the strike price of 19,250. If that has been taken out, there is a gap to be filled, which coincides with a demand zone of 19,181 to 19,200. So that's 19,200 strike price. Moving on to Finnifty. Let us see what levels do we have for Finnifty. So Finnifty probably on the same side, same pattern of the indices, the rest of the indices, if you see. So Finnifty demand zone, which is ranging between 20,034 to 20,071, has been tested once, twice, and 3 times. So this zone would define tomorrow's trade. If it's opening in between this range, look out which side it's going. If it's going on the higher side, you can take a confirmation that is any candle close, a bullish candle closing above this zone. You could look out for the target of supply zone, which is ranging between 20,258 and 20,292. So that's 20,250 and 20,300 strike price. So this would be where you could look out to sell Finnifty. On the higher side, there's a supply zone quite high. Let's talk about the nearest demand zone, which could be coming into play. That's ranging between 19,870 and 19,927. So you could have a strike price of, 19,900 in this region. Sorry. So that's all from my side. And yes, friends, if you do feel my views are helping you, and if you do find my views, good enough, and you can always feel free to get in touch with me. You can visit the website, which is www.simpletradewithpatience.com for additional views on stocks. And you can also help me by liking and sharing this channel, subscribe to alerts so that you do not miss on important updates. That's all from my side. Thank you. Have a nice trade tomorrow. Good night, everyone.